Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can convert Figma into HTML and CSS. So first you will need a plugin called Anima. So if I go to plugins, here it is. Now you can get the Anima by going to manage plugins and then searching here and you will get Anima. And you will also need to create an account on Anima website. So go ahead and create an account and then allow access. Now it is completing integration. And here we are, it's all set. Now click on get started and then go back to Figma design. Now once you have signed up and integrated Anima with Figma, you need to select the page which you want to convert to HTML and CSS. Okay, so I will select this page, and once you have selected the page, you will click on get code. And once that is done, it will take some time. Now click on go to Anima, and now it will take some time here. Okay, now it is done. As you can see, that design which was in Figma is now here in HTML and CSS. However, if I try to download it, it will say that I need to upgrade it. So it is a paid feature. But if you are looking for a free one, there is another website called Function 12. So it is fn12.com. So if I go here, you can also use this website to convert Figma into HTML and CSS. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more.